Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox and confirming your email so purchases and redemptions work. Next, locate the official YouTube X Roblox Bacon shirt announcement or code. This might appear on the creator's video description or Roblox promo page. Make sure you meet eligibility rules, sometimes a YouTube channel watch requirement, geographic limits, or a small Robux cost applies. Once you have the promo details, copy the code or note the item ID so you can redeem it immediately in Roblox. Now redeem or purchase the item. Go to Roblox's Redeem Codes page or the Avatar shop and paste the promo code, or purchase the Bacon shirt with Robux if the offer requires payment. After redemption, navigate to Inventory and then Clothing to find the shirt asset. Sometimes it's under shirts or body items depending on how it was issued. Equip the item by selecting it and applying to your avatar, then preview in the avatar editor to confirm correct layering and fit before saving changes. Finish by confirming the shirt appears in your inventory and testing it in the avatar preview or a private Roblox server to verify how it displays. If the shirt does not appear, first re-log in and clear the app or browser cache, then try the desktop site or re-enter the code. Sometimes region or delay causes lag. If problems persist, gather proof, order ID, screenshot of code, and any YouTube promo, and contact Roblox support so they can verify and restore the item for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.